The Home Affairs Department maintains it followed all relevant procedures to approve the naturalization of some members of the Gupta family. The department, however, admits it failed to table the list of names of those granted privilege to permanent as required by law.
The department was grilled by Parliament's Oversight Committee today.
A much anticipated meeting, but the absence of the Home Affairs Minister and her predecessor, Malusi Gigaba, caused a stir amongst some members. While they had submitted apologies, they were accused of undermining Parliament.
What we're seeing here is a diffusion of this very important issue. So the ministers are not going to come on the same day as the department.
In this committee, it seems as if we are not respected as a committee.
If we are not satisfied, there should be another meeting that will clarify the issues. And it's where we will be able to summon the minister and the former minister.
Once all the debates were out of the way, it was down to business. The Director General Mkhuseli Apleni insisting everything was above board.
We have followed all the procedures according to the law as we have explained. The only thing which we did not do was to table the report.
He was grilled on the process followed, on whether the Guptas qualified. The DG says the Oak Bay investments and thousands of jobs created were the reason the then minister waived normal processes. He pointed out that only Ajay Gupta had not been naturalized, as he did not renounce his Indian citizenship.
They put what they are saying, and then that is for Mrs. Gupta, and then the other one is of the wife, the other one is of the son, the other one is of the son, and they quote their passport numbers and everything. Now, based on these things, now it means now Mr. Gupta has never renounced.
Matters seemed to be complicated further when Apleni claimed that the letter denying the Gupta's naturalization, which appeared on social media, was fake.
This thing is what has been circulating in the media, and was saying this thing is not what we have.
Some members want the fake letter to be probed. The committee has once again committed to call former Home Affairs Minister Malusi Gigaba and incumbent Minister Hlengiwe Mkhize to testify before the committee. They say they hope this will put an end to speculation that the Gupta family influenced the process to grant them naturalization. Ulilani Philip, SABC News, Parliament.